In the highly competitive agricultural machinery market, there are importers and there are manufacturers. And then there are some that wear both hats, such as FarmTech Machinery. The Wodonga-based business has been operating for over 40 years and distributes products from over 25 brands from around the world, including countries such as Poland, Turkey, Korea, and Canada. But it also has its own team of designers and engineers who make a range of ag implements, including the brand Aervator, which has been part of its product range for over 20 years. A new 5-meter centrefold Aervator was recently released in Australia, and with a folded width of 3 meters, it has the ability to fit through narrow gates.
This is a new design on an old concept. There was a requirement in the marketplace to build a machine that, when it's folded, is narrow, so it fits through gateways. And this is the idea that we came up with. It's basically a spiky roller that you tow behind the tractor. It punches holes in the ground at various depths between 2 and 5 inches or 5 and 12 centimetres. And the idea is you punch holes in the ground to open the ground up and bring water, air and nutrients into the existing grasses that are in the ground. We're not digging over the ground, we're just improving the existing plant structure that's there and allowing those plants to access more air, water and nutrients.
Burder added the machine is best suited for use in autumn and spring to improve existing pasture. As the Aervator causes no disturbance to the soil structure, it is also suitable for use in conservation tillage operations.
The other thing that we do with this machine is we have the ability to add seeding units to this machine so that while we're aerating, we can also be scattering grass seed. If you wanted to improve the pasture or to add a different variety of grass into your pasture or just get more grass, we can tow rollers behind them. We've got a number of different accessories, you might call them, and to improve its effectiveness and also to reduce the number of passes you need to do.
Without any implements, the 5-meter wide Aervator retails for $38,000.
This is a machine that relies on weight to get it into the ground. And it's not only the holes that the tines are making themselves, but it's also the cracking that's going on in the soil that allows the air and the nutrients and the moisture to get in. At 0 degrees, where the gang is square to the line of travel, then basically you're only just literally punching holes in the ground, that's all you're doing. But as you increase the angle up to 10 degrees, you are starting to get a much more of a cultivative effect. And this is where we see this machine competing really effectively with a multi-disc. It takes less horsepower to pull it, it's a cheaper machine to buy, there's vastly less maintenance on this because you're not wearing out these very expensive discs and bearings. And it's actually doing a better job because it's not destroying your soil structure.
FarmTech has also just released its heavier duty Maxi series of aerators that carries double the weight compared to the folding units.
We have our own particular design that's unique to our company and nobody else can use that. The tines are made by a casting process and they're very hard and very wear resistant. And typically a set of tines in ordinary ground will do upwards of 1,000 acres of coverage or 400 hectares. These machines are all over the place. They're working in every soil type in every kind of country, and universal acclaim to the improvement that these farmers see when they use these machines in the proper way.